Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanyu.
my name is Abhimanyu. Hello friends, welcome again to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. Today especially I'm shooting the video using my phone. Phone's clarity might be poor, but in case if you don't have any DSLR or a point shoot camera, the best way to start a YouTube channel, or if you want to make a video, you can't depend on your phone. That's the best way to start making your videos. Right now you can see I'm shooting the video using the phone, right? You see? Okay, fine. But when you are shooting with your phone, there are few tips that you should know about to get a professional touch. Tip number 1 is framing. Always shoot in landscape mode. Don't shoot in portrait mode. Well, obviously you can shoot in portrait mode, but use the portrait mode especially in Instagram stories, Facebook stories, and for IGTV. For that platform you can use vertical videos, but for YouTube landscape will be better, and also it will look very professional. Well guys, okay, tip number 2. Well, you don't want a shaky video, right? If you don't want a shaky video, first thing you have to do is you can use both your hands like this. If you can use both hands like this, you can avoid a bit shake for your video. It will get more stability. If you don't want to use both your hands, there are one more method, like you can use your tripod or GorillaPod, or maybe your selfie stick. You can find these products online at a cheap price as well. And this tripod, selfie stick and GorillaPod, it will help you to take videos steady and stable. Tip number 3 is lighting. One thing you have to do is face the light while shooting the video. Yes, you can find many light sources online to make good videos, but when you're starting, just go with the natural light. Find the light source inside your home, or maybe outside, from a quiet place. Remember, from a quiet place. When the light is behind you, it will give a bad quality on your video, like your face will be dark, and it will give you a shadow effect on your video. Tip number 4 is audio. Shoot from a quiet place with no background noise. When you are uploading videos to YouTube, make sure there is no music and your TV on in the background. It's because it might get your video distracted and also can run into copyright issues. If you want to invest money for buying a good mic, yes, you can go ahead. You can buy a good mic from Rode, from online itself. Right now I'm not using any mic. Sooner or later I will buy a new mic to take my audio into the next level. Tip number 5, location. Keep it very simple. If you're shooting often from your bedroom or a workspace in your room, don't change the location. In some cases you have to shoot from other places, but if you want to get the videos easily, shoot the videos from the place you often works on, that has great lighting, and also know what is going around you and all. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I hope this 5 tips is very useful for you as well. Cheers guys, thank you.